What's up guys, Toybox47 here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an expresso. An expresso is a very important drink to learn because you need to know it to make a lot of other drinks. Let's get started. First, let's warm up our machines. If you have a single boiler machine, it might take 10 minutes. But if you have a dual boiler machine, it might take 20 or 30. To keep it warm, make sure to put the portafilter right here when you turn on the machine. This will keep it warm and get it ready for the coffee. Then start warming up your machine. While you're warming up the machine, you have to grind the coffee. Make sure your coffee grounds are fresh. I would recommend them being as fine as sugar. Yes, I know I don't have the best grinder, but I'm gonna try my best. Now that you've got your grounds, make sure to put your coffee grounds on the portafilter evenly. When you're tamping your grounds, make sure it's level as possible, but don't apply too much force. Now you want to rid the excess water from your machine. I think it's good. If you're also going to make a latte, make sure to do it with... If you have an espresso machine with an automatic light, make sure it turns on. Now you want to find a suitable container for your espresso shot after it's done. I like using these. Now, put your puck into the slot, place your cups under. I am getting espresso shot glasses soon, and then turn it on. I would recommend a good 30 seconds. Even if the light goes off, I would recommend a good 30 seconds. Okay, I think that might be good. From my understanding, I think just one of these will be a single shot, but two of them together will be a double shot. But you may have to search it up, I don't really know. Alright, now you want to pour it into your cup. Now you can use whatever cup you want. As you'll see in the next video, I'm going to make a latte. But I am going to show you what you can do with a good espresso. One thing that is mostly lost when you transfer containers is the crema. The crema is the foam on top of the espresso. So you can use espresso for many different things. You can put ice into it, you can put ice cream in it, you can make Melia coffee like I did in this video, but you can also make a latte, which I will do in the next video. Anyways, there are tons of different things to make with espresso. But just remember these key points and you'll be okay. First, make sure you're using fresh grinds. And you want your grind size to be almost equal to sugar. Next, make sure to warm up your machine. Make sure to place the portafilter where it goes. Make sure to purge the machine of all of its water. And if you're making a latte, make sure to swish the espresso around in the cup.